G'day ladies and gentlemen, and today we're going to be playing around with CapCut. So if you want to learn how to do something like this, be sure to stick around. This will be your first step. One, I would like to do a video in one take. So say I was talking here, okay, there's a guy over there. What I'll do is point here for a few seconds, wait, give it a little bit of time, and then what I would do is, while it's still in play, I'd get up, I'd walk over to where I was pointing, so it'd be about, say about this general direction, and what I would like to do to make it smoother is I'll either just make myself fade in, or get down behind the bed, get up, shake my hands in the air, get down. Then I'd come back over here, and I would stop recording. Just a quick thing I like to do, I like to get the segments of the video where I was behind the bed and also the front picture which I was in front of the camera talking and then I pointed over. So this is the part where I'm in my photo album and getting that segment. And this part here would be the part where I'm getting my the front, how would I say it? Front stage. Yeah, okay, there's a guy segment over there. So the stage where I was pointing and saying, hey, there's a guy over there. We'll head over to CapCut and we'll import the front segment, so this one right here, as you could see. Here, okay, there's a guy over there. After the front is selected, I will then press overlay and add overlay, and then I'll add that second video from that same original clip, which I've just cut into that small segment, and import it here. And then I'll just line it up so it's somewhat equal, and just in the way I like it. From there, we're going to select cutouts. We're going to go customize cutout, as I find that to be the easiest. Go to the brush setting, and then just swipe over pretty much the area which you think is the area that you occupy with that little clip. After you've done that, just fix up the area with just the wipe tool, which is just a little eraser. You'll then let your background load, which it has now. I'm just going to check what it looks like. As you can see, it seems like I'm missing an arm, which clearly I don't miss an arm. So I'll just fix it up using the go back in to customize tools, brush, and then doing a little bit fix up where that arm is. And then once I've done that, I'll just double check it again, see if everything's all right. If it looks all right, I'll just export it and then we'll run with that. And that, my friends, is how you clone yourself in CapCut. Of course, this is all on a mobile phone. This entire video was made on this very phone that I'm using now to record myself. I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure to subscribe, hit that button. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, give a little comment of what I should do for my next video. And as always, make sure to stay exquisite. Thank you.